Today's video is about a quick hack on how to show your formulas here in Google Sheets. So you're working on a spreadsheet and you want to see where the formulas are within your data. One way to figure that out would be to double-click on a cell to see if there's something in it. Right now for this cell, it's just a value of 20. And if we click on another table, that's just a simple value. Another one, and you'll see that this one has a formula in it. If we click on another one, there it goes. But once we click on another cell, the ones that we previously clicked has disappeared. And we are not sure if all of these do have formulas in them. If we click on this one, it's just some simple values. So the only way for you to see the formulas in all of your spreadsheet would be to go to View in your menu bar and select Show. On the right side, you'll see Formula Bar, Grid Lines, Formulas, and Protected Ranges. So our formula bar and our grid lines have a check on them. Once we check on our formulas, where you also have a keyboard shortcut. So if you press Control and your backtick in your keyboard, you'll be able to show your formulas. So let's just click on this. And here we have it. So in this range right here, it is completely made out of formulas. And right here in this table, this cell is the only one that has a formula and is probably the reason for all the other values within this table. And there you have it. So if you show your formulas, it will just show your formulas right here. So let me just adjust that so we can see everything. And even if I click outside, those formulas will not disappear. To hide these formulas again, what we can do is to use our keyboard shortcut. So that's your Control and your backtick key. And there you have it. We've hidden our formulas. So again, to show them, you can do your keyboard shortcut or you can just go to View. If we do our keyboard shortcut, that will be Control and your backtick key. There you go. And to hide this, just go to View to the menu bar, select Show, and uncheck your formulas. And there you have it. So that's your quick hack on how to show your formulas here in Google Sheets. Thanks for watching. If you found this video helpful, do leave a like and subscribe for more helpful videos. See you on the next one.